How to find influencers for shoutouts. I'm super excited to do this video for you guys because you're gonna see firsthand me doing it and the effective way to find influencers for shoutouts on Instagram. Because a lot of people just make the payment and they give them a post, or they have the other, the influencer create the post, and then they wonder why they don't get any followers and why they don't make any money. Because you gotta understand, good shoutouts and good influencer marketing, whether you are the one delivering it or you're paying for somebody to deliver it to you, good Instagram influencers and good Instagram shoutouts always result with followers and sales, okay? So I wanna walk you through how I'm doing this right now and a lot of the little tips and psychological tricks that you need to have in place that are very simple to set up so you can carry out effective Instagram influencer marketing, be able to build your profile, build your following, and be able to get sales. So screen sharing with you here. Check this out, guys, really cool. So here's my account. I'll show you right here. Here is my account right here. I just want you to get an idea from my pattern. So for example, personal picture, infographic, personal picture. And then I do infographic, viral video, infographic. Then I do info video of mine, viral pic, info video. And then I have personal pic, viral sort of engagement video, personal pic. I rotate through that, all right? So my pattern repeats every like five lines, something like that. So what I want you to understand is like these infographics. I really like pushing these infographics because I don't want people to just follow me for like, wow, this boat is cool, or I love this yacht, or cool, Ben, you're like holding a menu in your hand. I want them to follow me for the information and the knowledge. So what I do is I start looking like I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a sales expert, I'm a 7-figure online business owner. I'm going for 8. I did 7, we're going for 8. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new and smash that button that looks like a like. That's what you need to do. Smash it, all right? I'm always trying to help you guys out on my YouTube channel here. I'm always trying to bring you knowledge. And the reason I talk about Instagram so much is because it is the most engaging platform in the world. There's only a few people teaching it and everybody's focused on making it a hobby. How many likes, how many comments you get, but nobody's focused at turning their Instagram into money. And that's the thing, you need to have the right information and it needs to be focused on building your business. So I wanna show you how I'm doing it. As my bio says, 53 100K earners in 2018, doing it again in 2019. Obviously it's 2019 right now, I need to update that. So you get an idea for my pattern. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to go out and find profiles that are obviously in my niche. So I'll start off looking like entrepreneurship, okay? Entrepreneurship facts. This guy's got 1 million. Now I wanna look at his engagement. 3 hours ago, I'm gonna scroll back to things that are like a day ago. Okay, so 7,000 likes, 165 comments, 150,000 views, 173, 28, 52. It looks like good stuff. I'm gonna take a step further. I wanna make sure that his comments are like genuine. There's a couple, that's a spam one. That's a spam one. I won't stop spending good. Yeah, like there's a lot of spam ones on here. So that deters me, it kind of turns me off. So I'll go to another account. Entrepreneurs quote, 678,000 followers. Let's see what their engagement is like. So I'm gonna go back 24 hours ago, at least 5,045, 1,735, 2,700 for 55, 17,072 for 113. It's okay. I'm looking for a profile that's got a sickening amount of engagement. Let's do investing, okay? Accounts. Investing mentor, 602K. Looks, whoa, 420. Okay. This is very accurate. If you want to make good, this is an engaged account with intellectual followers. So what I'm gonna do is, now I'm like, okay, I'm interested. So I'm gonna message and be like, hey, how much for shoutouts? What's funny here is this account, I just kind of mistakenly found it, teaching you guys this right here, but this actually happens to be the account I just paid $500 to do shoutouts with. So check this out. I see that there are a lot of infographics. I see that we've got a black background and we've got a lot of yellow and white. I can see the way they're formulated and I see that got great engagement. So what I wanna do is I wanna make sure that at the time I am running shoutouts with this account, that I'm doing business with this guy, I wanna make sure that what I'm posting that day is congruent with their account and what I'm giving them as far as content to post is congruent with their pattern. So here's what I've done is I go over to my email. I've opened this up for you guys. Here's what I hit him up with. I said, how much do you charge for shoutouts? Story or feed work best on your account? Age, location, gender of following. So he responds to me. He's like, here's some more info about promoting. Investing mentors, 550K plus page, gives me the rates, the money making page, investing simplified, Bitcoin. I don't care to do anything with Bitcoin here. It's not what my account's about. Investing simplified didn't have the engagement I wanted, but money making page and investing mentors did. He gives me all these metrics, and then I see his following's biggest in the United States. And I also like that the age range on here is 25 to 34 and not just 18 to 24, because economically the 25 to 34 audience will have a little bit more investing. By the way, before I go any farther, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And what I want to know in the comments right now, I usually pick a comment of the week to teach as a lesson to help you guys out, and I feature it. What I want to know is what is your struggle when it comes to influencer marketing? Are you the influencer trying to get paid for shoutouts and you're having trouble with delivery, or are you trying to find the right type of influencers to help you build your following? Let me know in the comments, okay? So I got good insights on here. So I emailed back to him. I said, I'd be interested in the 2 pages with the best views, blah, 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 blah. So I said, let's do this for a whole month and let's get 2 going every single week, all right? Like for example, Wednesdays and Saturdays, all right? What can you do for me? And he says, hey, can you show me an example of the content? So I send him one of my infographics, as you've seen on my profile. So I send him one. He goes, I can approve that. 8 posts, 500, 8 stories, 160. So I'm getting a total of like 16 plus 8 stories. So 8 stories plus posts. So like 16 for a whole month. 540. I said, make it 500 even, fam, and let's do it. He's like, I'll give you a discount for 540. I'm like, let's do 500. Send me the invoice. Let's go. I didn't even give it an option. So he lowered it a little bit. I saved another, what would that be? Like 8% or something like that. And then boom. So I said, all right, let's do it. I paid him, boom. And then I also asked him what does better. He said, by the way, infographics work better than video. So let's try testing video out just once at least. So now what I want to do is I'm going to create content that's congruent with his profile, because what I don't want to do is like do my white background with black and then red. You know, if you want to do influencer marketing properly and be able to find the right type of influencers to do shout outs with, you need to be able to be congruent, okay? So if you're learning how to find the right influencers for your shout outs, you need to make sure that what you're posting that day is congruent with the content that they're posting, and you need to make sure you give them congruent content to post. So, you know, when we post, I'm gonna coordinate with them. Okay, so that day, I'm gonna make sure that I've got, you know, I'm using my infographic theme, all right? But I'm gonna make sure that the content that I give him is in his colors. And then I'm not gonna change my colors, but what I'm gonna do is make sure that I'm very oriented towards what he's doing. So I see that he's got like a lot of list type stuff, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see that he's got it here. I see that he uses yellow and white a lot. So what I'll do is I will have my white background like I normally have. And then, for example, this one that says best decision in your 20s, what I'll do is I'll have it like best decision in black and then in red in your 20s, okay? And then I'll have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be as similar as I can so that the theme is very much the same. My colors, I obviously don't want to change my colors. So the point is I'm gonna distribute to him congruent content that, you know, his exact colors. I'm gonna make that for him. And that's what he's gonna do, and it's gonna be, you know, follow at Ben Oberg, and they're gonna come over, and that day they're gonna see, you know, my infographics, go, gosh, this is cool. There's gonna be congruency in that, so these followers are gonna latch on, they're gonna follow, and they're gonna stay. And I like the frequency of doing this. I've picked an account in my niche. I picked an account with the right metrics, with the right location, with the right age, with the right demographics, with the right type of interests, all right? These followers are monetizable to me, and I'm gonna run it. So I have a shout out going on, you know, 2 days of the week, in the middle, at the end of the week, back to back to back, in stories and in feed from 2 different accounts. I forgot my keyword in this video. What's my keyword? How to find Instagram influencers for shout outs. That was very amateur, wasn't it? So it's great. If you wanna learn more about building your business on Instagram, if you wanna learn more about building an engaged profile, being able to monetize it. I've found 16 ways to make 5 figures per month. My students are doing that left and right all over the place. We got members in 137 different countries. I think we're up to like 4,300 something members now. It works. What we do works. There's no question about it. No question about if this process works, and it's algorithm proof. I do not care about the Instagram algorithm. I care how much money's coming into my bank account and how much I can take and invest. That's what I care about. That's what I do on Instagram. So you just learned how to find influencers for your Instagram marketing. Hopefully this video has been valuable to you. If there's anything I can do for you, please drop it in the comments, and make sure you're registered for my Instagram Mastery web class, all right? That's gonna teach you some more insider information on how to scale your business with Instagram. Whether you're brand new or you kind of got something going and you just need to get it to that 7-figure level, this will give you those tools, those resources to be able to do that. Links in the description. Follow me at Ben Oberg, and I'll see you guys in the next video.